In today's fast-paced world, many individuals are exploring the exciting opportunity of starting a side hustle. This video will guide you through the essentials of launching your own venture alongside your regular job. We'll discuss the various types of side hustles, from freelancing to e-commerce, and how they can provide not just extra income, but also personal fulfillment. You'll learn about the benefits of flexibility, skill development, and financial security that come with a side hustle. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a dream vacation, or simply pursue a passion, this video is designed to inspire and equip you with the knowledge to take that first step. Let's dive in and unlock your potential. Step 1. Identify your skills and interests. The first step in starting your side hustle is to identify your unique skills and interests. Begin by making a comprehensive list of your talents, hobbies, and passions. Think about what you enjoy doing in your free time and what you excel at. Once you have your list, consider how these skills can be monetized. For instance, if you love graphic design, you could offer freelance services or create digital products. Next, research the market demand for your identified skills. Look for trends and gaps in the market that align with your interests. This will help you determine the viability of your side hustle and ensure that you're pursuing something both enjoyable and profitable. Step 2. Conduct market research. Once you've identified your skills and interests, it's time to conduct thorough market research. Start by analyzing competitors in your chosen niche. Look at what they offer, their pricing strategies, and how they engage with their audience. This will help you understand the landscape and identify opportunities for differentiation. Next, pinpoint your target audience and their specific needs. Consider demographics, preferences, and pain points that your side hustle can address. To gather valuable insights, utilize surveys or social media platforms to connect with potential customers. Ask questions about their preferences and challenges related to your niche. This information will not only refine your business idea, but also ensure that you're meeting the demands of your audience effectively. Step 3. Create a business plan. Creating a solid business plan is crucial for your side hustle's success. Start by outlining your business goals and objectives, ensuring they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This clarity will guide your efforts and keep you focused. Next, define your pricing strategy and revenue model. Consider how much you will charge for your products or services and explore different revenue streams, such as subscriptions or one-time sales. Finally, include a marketing plan to effectively reach your audience. Identify the channels you will use, such as social media, email marketing, or content creation, to promote your side hustle. A well-structured business plan will not only help you stay organized, but also attract potential investors or partners as you grow your venture. Step 4. Set up your online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is essential for your side hustle. Start by choosing a suitable platform that aligns with your business goals, whether it's a dedicated website, social media channels, or both. Each platform has its unique advantages, so select the ones that best showcase your offerings. Next, create engaging content that highlights your products or services, using high-quality images, videos, and compelling descriptions to attract potential customers. Don't forget to optimize your profiles for searchability and branding. Use relevant keywords in your bio and posts to improve visibility in search results. Consistent branding across all platforms will help build recognition and trust with your audience. A well-crafted online presence will set the foundation for your side hustle's growth and success. Step 5. Launch your side hustle. Now that you've prepared everything, it's time to launch your side hustle. Start by announcing your launch on social media and sharing the news with your personal network. This initial buzz can help generate interest and excitement around your offerings. To attract your first customers, consider offering promotions or discounts. Limited-time offers can create urgency and encourage people to try your products or services. Once you start gaining traction, actively gather feedback from your customers. Their insights are invaluable for improving your offerings and ensuring you meet their needs. Engaging with your audience not only helps refine your business, but also builds a loyal customer base. Embrace this exciting phase and remember that every launch is a learning opportunity. Step 6. Monitor and adjust your strategy. After launching your side hustle, it's crucial to monitor and adjust your strategy for continued success. Regularly track your sales and customer feedback to gauge how well your offerings are resonating with your audience. This data will provide insights into what's working and what needs improvement. Be open to making changes based on performance. Flexibility is key in adapting to market demands. Additionally, stay updated with industry trends to remain competitive. Follow relevant blogs, attend webinars, and engage with other entrepreneurs to keep your knowledge fresh. By continuously evaluating your strategy and making informed adjustments, you'll position your side hustle for growth and sustainability, ensuring it thrives in an ever-evolving marketplace. Embrace the journey of learning and adapting. In this video, we've explored the essential steps to successfully start your side hustle. We began by identifying your skills and interests, followed by conducting market research to understand your audience. Next, we discussed the importance of creating a solid business plan and setting up your online presence. After launching your side hustle, we emphasized the need to monitor and adjust your strategy based on feedback and industry trends. Remember, taking action is crucial for turning your ideas into reality. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video with others who might benefit. Don't forget to explore our channel for more related content that can guide you on your entrepreneurial journey. Thank you for watching.